This is a cup.
It's our second experiment.
A second experiment with an egg. There's an egg in the cup, and we wrapped it fully in blue and orange duct tape. We're gonna put this thing in the microwave, and we're gonna see what happens.
Your mom's gonna be so mad.
Dude, there's an egg in here. You can hear it.
I don't think it's a good idea to post these on Facebook.
Dude, we're not.
YouTube though.
2
On the other hand.
minutes. Go.
Oh God. I wonder if it's gonna be as awesome as the last one.
We should have put more duct tape.
Dude, yes, we should.
We should have put more duct tape.
There's no going back.
Hey, dude, move. Your reflection's in the. There you go.
I'm good.
Oh God.
Dude, I'm
This is
scared
intense.
again.
It's
Right?
moving.
I know something's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
Is it moving?
Almost a minute.
Gotta get ready again. That last one freaked me out.
How's it not exploded yet? I guess the duct tape isolates it even more.
This time I won't block the microphone.
This is making me mad.
Dude, you know what's gonna happen. Dude, it's like... Oh, I thought I said like get bigger or something.
The cup.
I think I